Hello everyone. Today we are for our outdoor class at NIT Ghat Patna. You can see the vibes and the major attraction is River Ganga. We call this Holy River of India. So today we are going to have an essay on River Ganga from our students. So let's start.
River Ganga is sacred and its waters come from Uttarakhand Gangotri.
When the two tributaries of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda join at Devprayag, that is the main point where the Ganga begins.
Ganga joins Brahmaputra River in Bangladesh.
So, River Ganga is one of the holiest river in India as its water is to purify people of their sins.
So, according to mythology, the disciple cremated near to Ganga to get instant salvation.
Ganga plains are the most fertile in the world.
Human activity around the rivers have resulted in the pollution of river.
The India government has initiative to clean up a river and River Ganga and conserve it.
Okay, Ganga Aarti is very famous for during religious festival.
So hello everyone. Ganga is considered the national rivers of India.
The Ganga is the holy river of India. The Ganga is has been organized from Gomukh cave of Gangotri Glacier.
Ganga water is much precious for Hindus, especially they keep this water like holy places like temple.
For every Indian, the River Ganga hold a special place in their heart. It holds a sacred place in their lives. For every Indian, it is believed that it is their religious belief. It is so holy and so pure.
The Ganga flows through India and Bangladesh. The cities like Haridwar, Rishikesh, Banaras, Patna, Kanpur are located on the bank of Ganga.
So, river Bhagirathi and Alaknanda come to meet at one point in Devprayag and form to the Ganga. And it rises in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, which is a part of the Western Himalaya. And through the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Western Bengal flow Ganga river. So that is.
Moreover, the water of Ganga is used for agriculture and industrial activities. The river has formed the most fertile fruits in the world.
The Ganga flow through Bangladesh and India. The city like of Patna, Hazipur, Mirzapur, etc. And the cities the located are the river of Bang.
The Ganga originated from the Himalaya and Himalaya river. I forgot lines, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's all about our side.